Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
The eye lens focuses light and changes shape to maintain clear vision. The lens sits behind the iris and works with the cornea for focus. UV and blue light damage proteins inside the lens over years. Ultraviolet exposure, blue light exposure, diabetes, smoking, and aging increase cataract risk. Protecting the lens starts with understanding modifiable risks and symptoms. Blurred vision, glare, and faded colors suggest lens clouding. Early lens clouding can be detected by routine, comprehensive eye exams. Wear sunglasses that block 100% UVA and UVB whenever you are outdoors. Use a wide brim hat to further reduce direct sunlight on your eyes. Quit smoking and maintain blood sugar control to slow lens protein damage. Eat a balanced diet with leafy greens, omega-3 fats, and vitamin C-rich fruits daily. Use the 20-20-20 rule and take regular breaks from screens to reduce blue light strain. Adjust screen brightness and position screens 3 to 4 feet away from your face. Wear protective eyewear that meets ANSI Z87 1 standards during any hazardous activity. Use impact-rated goggles for grinding, chemical handling, or sports with flying objects. Contact lenses require proper hygiene and replacement schedules to avoid infections. Have comprehensive dilated eye exams every 1 to 2 years for healthy adults. People with diabetes, prior eye surgery, or symptoms need more frequent monitoring. Treatable conditions are monitored, and cataract surgery is recommended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.